Okay, welcome back. We're going to do some homework from section 3.2. This is using what's called the zero product property. If a product P times Q is equal to 0, then we know that P is 0 or Q is 0. One of them has to be 0 if a product is 0. It only works if 0 is on the right-hand side. Very important to note that. All right, so simply put here, we know that that product is 0 if 7v plus 4 is 0, or if 3v minus 9 is 0. So then just doing a little bit of so now we have linear equations, and so v has to be negative 4/7. So I just brought the 4 over, subtracted on both sides, and divided by 7. Or bringing the 9 over and dividing by 3, we get v equals positive 3. And so there are two solutions, and it says use a comma to separate your answers. So you would type negative 4/7, comma 3. All right, now if it's that's if it's already factored into a product equaling 0. This next one, we have to do some factoring. Now, it takes a little bit of trial and error to sort out these factors sometimes. Some can be harder than others. And so c times c, so we're doing the first. So the first have to multiply to get the quadratic term at the top there. The middle term is going to be a combination of the outer and inner. Let's go ahead and think about the last. So the last, you have to get the negative right. Our choices for 45, if you think about it, 45, that would be 9 times 5. Maybe you could do 3 times 15. What else would be 45 times 1? That is a possibility. I can't think of any others off the top of my head. Maybe all of them. Now what we're looking for is a group of those factors that when you take their difference, you get 4. And so I'm kind of eyeballing that one right there, 9 times 5. A little bit of trial and error sometimes will yield that. So 9 times 5 is 45. And if you put a negative on the 9 and a positive on the 5, when you do your outer plus your inner here, so 5c minus 9c, you'll get negative 4c. So we've got it. Now that's all supposed to be equal to 0. So that says that c minus 9 equals 0, or c plus 5 equals 0. So c equals 9, or c equals negative 5. So those are our two solutions. And remember, we would type the answer with a comma in between. All right, so that's the zero product property. I'm going to quit this video there. Thank you for watching.